Hello everyone, this is Chen. So for today's oops, I hit the mic. So for today's video, we're gonna be unboxing SF9's Seasons Greetings 2022, you guys. And I really love the concept for this Seasons Greetings. I really love the colors, and I'm kind of girly, so I really love the color combination that they use. So I think it's gonna be the theme of my room from now on. So let's get it. Let's start. So be proud of me. I have cutter now. Okay, let's get it. Should have bought a cutter a long time ago. It's easier to open a box. Okay. Oh, this is so. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, you guys. So I bought Season's Greetings and then the trade card and the postcard. I forgot, but let's see. Okay. So this is the postcard set, you guys. And then the Season's Greetings fortune trading card. Okay. Like this, and also I got freebies, the pre-order benefits. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so pretty. What do we have in here? I hope there's no duplicate copy, you guys. Okay, so I got Chuho, obviously. I got Chuho, and I got Jaeyoon. Okay, so this is the pre-order benefit. This one, the fortune trading card. Let's open it. Did you see it? Well, like, I got Chuho and I got Jaeyoon for the pre-order benefits. The fortune trading card, you guys. Okay, I got Insong. Oh, this is so cute. I got Hyung. I got Chuho. Chuho. Ooh, Chuho. I got Robin. Oh, and I got that one. The postcard set. Oh, cute. Okay. So Yongbin. So cute. I love the heart and the moon and the star that they use, you guys. Chani. Chani, Yangbin, Insong. Jaeyoon. Daewon. Chuho. Jaeyoon, Daewon, Chuho. Prowoon. Taeyang. And Hyung. Taeyang, Rowan, Hyung. Okay. So that's it for... I really love this one, you guys. It's so cute. Next, the Seasons Greetings. Let's open this one first. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. This is so satisfying, you guys. It's so pretty. So this is the outer box looks like, you guys. SF9 2022 Seasons Greetings and the member's name. Yongbin and Sanjay, Daewon, Roman, Chua, Taeyang, Hyung, Chani. Then the designs like heart, moon, star, and the sides. Holographic, you guys. I really love it. And then the bag. So pretty. Okay, so let's first open this one. Oops. Oh. Okay, first we have this like a Polaroid film. Is that what you call it, you guys? So first, this one. So we have Hyung, Rowoon, and Taeyang. We have Jaehyun, Daewon, and Chuho. Youngbin, Chani, and Insung. We have this is invitation card. Oh, color code, white. So I have a ticket now, yay! Oh, Jinja, I got Romo, no! I got SF9 and then Robo, and you guys, this is so cute. Admit one. Row 10, row 8. Yeah, row 8, row 10. Oh, I want front row seat, you guys. I want front row seat. Color code, rainbow for SF9 and white for Roman. Okay. Oh, I'm wearing white, you guys. And next one, I don't know how do you call it, but this is what it looks like, you guys. They love this kind of concept, right? Like the film style. Oh, I love this one, the stickers, you guys. We have the stickers. I'm planning to put this in a clear case, cell phone case. It's gonna be so cute, you guys. Oh, it's so cute. Like their emoji symbols, you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Yung Benila Insang이랑 Jaehyun, Sangyuk, Rowoon, Chuho, Taeyang, Hyung, Chani. This is so cute. That's it for the sticker, and this is the making. Oh, I love the color of the CD, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, and then the photo cards. This is the photo card case. I think you will insert it like this. And you can stand it like that. Am I right? Like this is okay, that's cute. That's it for the outer case or frames, like a photo card frame. So we have Youngbin. Okay. We have Insong, Jaehyun, Daewon, Rowoon, Chuho, Taeyang. So it's all in landscape mode, you guys. Hyung and Chani. And the other concept, we have Youngbin, Insong, Jaehyun, Daewon. Oh, so cute. Rowoon, Chuho, Taeyang, Hyung, and Chani. The back looks like this. It's all the same. So that's it for the photo cards, you guys. Next one, oh my gosh, I got a little bit sad when I found out that this is a diary, you guys, because it looks like the fourth membership fanship binder. Like the outer case looks like that. So I thought it's a photo card binder, and I will be so happy if this is photo card binder, but it's not. It's a diary, you guys, and I badly needed a photo card binder. Okay. Oh, cute. Okay. Let's flip this over. Cute. Cute. Ooh, okay, Jane, I saw that. Oh, they're so cute, you guys. And then, yes. diary slash planner. Oh, so I have extra pages. Ooh. Okay. It's not okay. And oh, we have pictures too. Oh, I love this one, you guys. It's like the one in their music video, like that one writing trauma in the mirror. This is so cool, you guys. Okay. Painting concept. Okay, that's it for the diary, you guys. I want this to be a photocard binder. Look, you guys, we love holographic. It's so pretty. I'm really looking forward. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wait. Okay, so this is the desk calendar. Okay, desk calendar. This is how big it is, you guys. I love it. It's so girly. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yongben. For the month of January, February Insong, March Chani, April Jaeun, May Dawon, June Chuho, July, oh, my month. Oh, my birth month. Okay, hello, Rowan. Hello, Rowan. August, Taeyang. September, Hyung. October, Yongbin, Insong, Chani. November, Dawon, Jae, and Chuho. December, Taeyang, Hyung, and Rowan. So they didn't. So last year, season's greetings, like for the month of January, it was Yongbin, then February Insong, and then Jaeyoon March, and so on. And then now they randomize it, you guys. Last time we got Taeyang for the month of July, but this time it's Rowan, you guys. And I'm so happy because it's my birth month. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, I really love this, you guys, because do you guys remember, like last time, this is from last year's season's greetings, and I told you that I got so excited when I found out that they have this kind of inclusions, because I really love this, and they have also a message at the back with their sign, with their signature. And this year, season's greetings, they gave us this. You guys, like, it's so big. The pictures and the sign with the message, you guys, and I'm so happy. I really love this one. Oh my gosh. I hope for the 5th membership, like, they will also give us photocard binder because, yeah, it's so useful, right? Oh, so this is so high quality, you guys. Like, it's so glossy. You guys see it? Yes, it's so glossy. Yongbin, Insong. Can you guys see it clearly? Oh, so cute. Jaeyoon with the apple again. What's with the apple? They're always using apple. That one. Ooh. It's kind of sticky. Rowan, Chuho, Taeyang, Hyung with the lollipop, and Chani. We're kind of matchy. Chani. Okay, and at the back, Chani. Hyung's message, Yu Taeyang's, Chuho's, Rowan's. So cute. The signature. That one. Eyes, nose, mouth. Jaeyoon. SF9JY. Oh, cute. In song. SF9 in song with the heart. And Yongbin. Last one. Oh, okay, I forgot we have posters too. Okay, wow. Okay, wow. So this is the photo book, you guys. Oh, will I open this one? Okay. This is, oh, can you guys see it? Like, wow, teba. I love it. I love the details. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see it clearly? Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so pretty. Love it. Okay, SF9 2022 seasons greetings. Cute. I really love that they put this, you guys. Cute, Yongbin. Okay. Cute. They're so cute. Like, compare this season's greetings to their pictures from their last comeback rumination, you guys. Like, from sexy to cute. Oh my gosh. Their duality, you guys. It's no joke. Ah, cute. Cute. This one's so cute. Next one. That one. Cute. Yutayang. He looks like a baby here. Cute, Sep, go. Cute. He looks so good here. Cute. Johnny. Okay. Cute. Oh, sorry. Cute. Zap, go, Zap, go. Okay, that's it for the photo book poster calendar, you guys. Smile here. Oh, that's Mario. And Rowan, that smile though. This is how big it is, you guys. And then, let's see the inclusions that I got here from the other season's greetings. For the invitation card, what is Lian? Lian, color code Lian? Lian. Shan 95? Yan 95. Ano? Is it Dawon? Lian 95. Oh, I got Dawon. I knew it because 95. For the invitation card, it's the same. Like I got Sepku and okay. So I got Rowan from the other one, and this one I got that one. Okay, I see you too. But I'm not first row, you guys. Oh, 7th row 24. Okay. Row 10, October, and seat 5. Okay, October 5, their debut. And then 7/24, Damon's birthday. Their birthdays, okay. This one, I think it's the same with the one that I got. Where is it? Oh, yes. Is it the same? Yes, it's the same, you guys. Also, I got the stickers, the making, and also this one. It's also the same with this. Dear FNC Star, you didn't put it. You didn't insert it. That, you know. Oh, I didn't notice this. So we have a pouch like in the diary, so you can put something inside if you want. That's cool though. Okay, this is the expectation versus reality. Oh my gosh, I knew there's something wrong about here. Like, why will they give me extra sheets, you know? Oh my gosh, so I need to figure out how to insert this one later. Okay, what? Okay, you guys, and that's it for this unboxing. So I got Dawan and Rowan for the invitation card, you guys. They both invited me. Oh. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And I did a survey before, and I asked you guys if what you guys prefer, like long unboxing video or a short unboxing video, and most of you guys said short unboxing video. So I did my best to do this as quickly as possible, and I did my best to show you guys on all the contents that you are getting when you purchase the SF9's Season's Greetings 2022, you guys. And yes, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'm just so happy that most of you guys voted for me not to change my usual unboxing style. So thank you guys for liking my unboxing videos, and if you like this video too, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube. Did I say that already? So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and turn on the post notification bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Annyeong!